Ang problema lang yan, kaya may contempt powers. Pero huwag kayong matakot. Kasi sabi ko, wala naman silang mautusan. Yung sergeant at arms nila, it's an office. Maybe they have 1 or 2 or 3 assistants there. Yan lang ang matawagan nila para i-detain kayo. Pero pag nangyari yan, I am giving this warning to the Senate. Ayaw ko ng gulo. We recognize your power to cite people to help you in aid of legislation. Baka yung inyong in aid maging first aid yan. Nawarningan ko kayo, walang susunod sa iyo. Walang isang pulis o isang Air Force, Navy o Army. Walang susunod sa iyo. Because, sinasabi ko sa kanila, huwag mag-cooperate, especially if it is to further give you the power to insult everybody. Pag pinagsisigawan ninyo, ang yabang ninyo.